Mark here again, folks. So I made two videos. I put two videos up earlier today, talking about relationships breaking up and how the science of breaking up. Now I want you guys to remember this, right? E equals MC squared was what is the premise of how the atomic bomb came about. When two people unite, we form what's called, if you were studying science, would be called a molecule. Two atoms unite forms a molecule, and out of a molecule we have all the objects that we have. But at subatomic levels, everything is just atoms that are bonded or united. So when two people come together in a relationship, consider each individual an atom, they bond and form a molecule, which is a family or a union or a unit. The way that the atomic bomb came about, E equals MC squared, is that they understood that if you split an atom, you release a tremendous amount of energy. And if you can increase the amount of atoms and split that atom, then you'd have the atomic bomb, and that's how they came. And this is a very general, just kind of like running through real quick. I'm not going deep into it. The point I'm trying to make is this: when people break up, it's the equivalent of the splitting of the atom. So when you and someone split, like, you say we split, we break up, we're no longer together, whatever. When two people split up or break up, it's the equivalent of the breaking up or the splitting of the atom. And when an atom splits, a tremendous amount of energy is released. And this is how we come across the atomic bomb. Hiroshima, we know, thousands and thousands of people were killed as a result of that. So there's a tremendous amount of energy that's released when two people break up. And if you saw my previous video, I kind of want to just not touch on this really, really quick. That energy that is released, two types of energy is released. The person who leaves the relationship, the energy that is released on them is electropositivity. The person who's being left behind in the relationship, the energy that is released on them is electronegativity. Now, each and every one of us have what's called a synode or SA node. A synode is what's responsible for the pulsating of your heart. Every time your heart pulsates as a result of the synode is considered the heart's pacemaker. It releases electricity. That electricity is what's called your field, right? Your aura, your circle, your energy field. So every time when the atoms split, when two people split, the person who's leaving, again, they release electropositivity in their field. That's the field that they're currently in. The person who's being left behind releases electronegativity. That's the field that circles and orbits them. And the reason for that is because, again, when atoms split, energy is released. So, folks, when you break up with someone, understand if the person leaves you, you're going to go into you're going to release the energy that's going to be released on you as a result of the atom splitting is going to be electronegative, and you have to know how to fight your way out of that. Okay, that's your field. That's all the entities and energies that's going to be orbiting, surrounding, and circling you for a very long time, and you have to understand how to work your way through that. All right, real short, real sweet. That's it. Till next time, peace.